I feel as if I've been looking for you for a very long time.
You found me. Morning, Cyril.
Please don't move so much, Alma.
Buttering my toast and not moving too much.
Well, it's too much. It's a distraction. It's very distracting.
Pay too much attention to it.
It's hard to ignore. There's entirely too much movement at breakfast.
Perhaps you should take your breakfast after him, or in your room. His routine, when he's in it, is best not shaken.
Amber, could you just lift the bodice